ever notice how every single piece of wood behaves differently? I mean, within a species, they're going to behave a certain way. But from board to board, like this one, this is pine, but you can see where the internal structure of this wood is different, and it's got little tiny, how can I get this to show you? That's not caused by the plane blade, because you look down the line a little bit and it's cutting perfectly fine. That's in the wood. There's little tiny cracks hidden in the wood, and you can feel it, like right here, I bet you. Smooth, right in here. Up to about here, and then it gets smooth again. So let's see if we can find my pencil marks. There they are. See? There's my pencil marks. I could feel it wasn't smooth there. But before that, it planed beautifully. So this, if I were testing a board for a project, I would cast this aside, because this would be a reject because of this coarse grain in there, unless, of course, this is a piece of secondary wood. You know, wood that is just a bit or a brace, something that you're going to use somewhere. A filler board. But yeah, it goes all the way through. It goes all the way through the piece. But I found that interesting. I thought I'd share. I like to keep pieces like this around because sometimes you just need to fill something, or you just need a stick, right? You just need a stick. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.